people, this is me, Ilya, and today I'm going to be talking about something fun. So, if you've ever wondered how to install Linux on your Windows computer without even having to boot up Linux, here you go. It would be great if you headed over to my YouTube channel and at least click the subscribe button. If not, just check out one of my videos. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks. So basically, I'm going to be installing a subsystem of Linux. This is only command line, so you won't actually have a graphical interface of Linux. So there will be some disadvantages with this, obviously. However, this is great for somebody who doesn't want to run a VM which lags on their computer and who just wants to have a couple of small servers up. So I'll be showing you today how to do this. So we're currently in Microsoft Store. This is where you're going to be getting your copy of Linux from. And we click on the search button and we type in Linux. As you can see, there's Debian, there's Kali Linux, Ubuntu, Linux, and some books and stuff. So there are actually several distributions. There's currently, I think there is Kali Linux, Debian, Ubuntu, and Pandora. And that's currently it. But hopefully they'll be adding more versions of Linux to it, which would be great. Yeah. So, for example, I'll show you Ubuntu. Obviously, as you can see, I already have Linux installed. If you don't have it, you click on a Get App button. It would download. It normally takes about 5 minutes for me. Then you can click on Open button. It'll open. It would install some packets. These are things like Apache and other things like the default applications you get with your Linux subsystem. And after that, you would be able to make a Unix username and password. And then you could just run Linux. So, let me show you an example of Linux, how it works. See, it's loading. I'm currently in my terminal, as you can see. So, you can do commands. So, yeah, you can, for example, you can log in. See, so for example, you'd have to log in. I'm not actually going to put in my password and stuff, but I'm just showing you an example of stuff like that. So yeah. So you can see it's perfect. It's like a normal copy of Linux, apart from you're just limited to a terminal. So let's close this. So I hope you people enjoyed this little tutorial. I might add again that you are rather limited with this. You can only do Linux commands. However, this will be good for someone who wants to host a small Apache server or I don't know, like a game server offline and stuff. And it really doesn't take up a lot of RAM and CPU. It's alright, I'd say. And when you first install it, it comes with all the tools you need. So it'll come with Apache and even a VPN client and a web browser. So I would say this is pretty good for anybody who wants to start out Linux. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on how to install Linux, and have a nice day.